OCI मुद्द्याचेर जारी केल्ल्या को रिजंडमाचेर केंद्र सरकार उच्च न्यायालयाची बिनशर्त माफी मागून न्यायालयाचो अवमान टाळूंक शकता, काँग्रेसीचो हळदणचो आमदार कार्लोस फेरेरा सांगता। एप्रिलाच्या 30 तारखेक परराष्ट्र मंत्रालयान को रिजंडम जारी केल्लो, जातूंत रिवोकेशन प्रमाणपत्र OCI खातीर वैध दस्तावेज म्हणून वापरपाक मेळचे ना अशें म्हणिल्लें। ह्या फाटभुंयेर कार्लोस फेरेरा उलयतालो।
Is the Deputy Solicitor General of India in Goa suggesting that the copy of the petition was served on the ministry and that he made the statement in the High Court without complete instructions from the ministry? If the ministry had given instructions of 4th April 2024 OM, knowing that the matter was sub judice, it was the bounden duty of the ministry to update the Deputy Solicitor General of the corrigendum dated 30th April 2024 and before the matter came to be decided by the High Court on 6th May 2024. Failure to do so and mislead the Honourable High Court without placing the corrigendum on record is clear contempt. If the ministry was not informed nor intimated of the petition, then the question would be who briefed the Deputy Solicitor General and on whose instructions the Deputy Solicitor General made the statement and produced the OM in the High Court. One option which they have is to go back to the High Court, tender unconditional apology and set out the circumstances how this corrigendum came to be issued and why it was not brought to the notice of the High Court and the Deputy Solicitor General, and the person responsible should own up for it. They would also need to tell the court if they were aware of the pendency of the proceedings in the High Court. The second option would be to grant the OCI registration to those who move the High Court, but this would clearly be a move which is an attempt to fool the High Court.